How's it going, Gear Slammers? Just a quick video about anybody doing a thermostat in any P2 Volvo. It's an absolute pain, but there's a couple things you need to be aware about. So it's pretty easy to take off. I believe that's a T40 down there, but I had to replace my tensioner, so it's just a regular bolt. You release the tension, get this serpentine belt off. You come up to the pump, and I used a mid-length. Where'd it go? There it is. A mid-length socket. So this is a 10 mil. And I'm gonna show you the sizes real quick because I have them. Here's short, here's mid, here's deep well. These all have a purpose. After building my car up, I really love the mid-length because it's just really nice. So that's what I used to get that off. And now here's the biggest thing. It's an absolute pain to do. You're gonna want to grab yourself the longest like T30 you think you can get. I got this from either AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. I can't remember where, but it's 5/16 drive. It's a T30. It's really long, and so you can fit underneath there and get that stupid bolt right there. Now, what I did, because I thought it would be easier, and technically it was easier. Here is the original one I had. I took these bolts off, popped this top off with a thermostat, and then I tackled the bolts down below. They do not make gaskets for this, and I used gasket material to make a gasket, and as you can see, it leaked really badly. Yeah, they only make this side gasket. So when you take this thermostat off, do not separate the two halves. Now this is a Pro Parts Sweden one, which I'm kind of surprised I had an issue with because I have bought some of their stuff in the past, but it was leaking in the same area. And I bought it off Rock Auto for like 20-30 bucks at the end of the day, and not the end of the world, but this was in there. It was just sitting in there when I pulled it off. So I got to take it off. I actually went to the junkyard and picked up practically a brand new one. And I'm gonna send it because screw it. I don't see it's Moto Rad right there. Whatever, we're gonna give it a whirl. I'm gonna run it, but literally that's how you take it off. You take this radiator hose off, pop it off. It's really easy. So short video, but it's not rocket science. Make sure you have a drip pan underneath your car to catch all the coolant. I believe these cars came with green coolant, but I also seen blue coolant. The only reason why I'm using blue is because that's what they had at Walmart at the time that had a bunch, and I wasn't going to mix it too. So yeah, here we are. That's how you do that, and make sure you do the best you can to grab the longest T30. I know I have a Milwaukee set. I have a T30 around here somewhere, but like the Milwaukee sets, they have that. That's how I get it off the first time, but it's a pain. Good luck, guys. Have a good one.